Hello guys, welcome back to Staff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to download image in WriteSonic AI. Before we dive into these steps, let me quickly explain first guys what is WriteSonic AI is. So, WriteSonic AI is an amazing tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like text, and it's perfect for content creation, copywriting, and much more. So, to get started, make sure you have an account with WriteSonic AI. And now you can sign in or sign up for free or choose a plan that suits your needs. So once you're done logging in, you will now be able to access all the fantastic features of WriteSonic AI. Alright? So now let's go to the exciting part, downloading an image. But before that, let us first create or generate an image to be downloaded. Alright, so let us click this WriteSonic. Okay, so always make sure guys that when you're going to download, you have already a generated image. Okay, so like this one, let's say for example, we are going to generate a side lion. Okay, a 3D. Okay, let us be more detailed. A 3D sad lion shot. Okay, in 3000 millimeter. Okay, and then now we can now click this generate, and let us wait for a couple of seconds so that we can now use the generated image by WriteSonic AI. Alright, so now let's look on the picture. Alright, so there we go. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, so all we need to do now guys is just to tap this picture, okay, like that, and to download this, just tap this button of download. Okay, the download button. So let's tap this and wait for the pictures to be downloaded. Okay, over here this it says file downloaded, so let's open and let's look for the image. Right, so wow, it's so beautiful. Alright, so this is so simple on how to download the image. Alright, so this is on how to download image in WriteSonic AI. So if you want to know on how to download image in WriteSonic AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to download image in WriteSonic AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!